I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get APA format on Google Docs. First, open a new Google Docs document. Navigate to File, then Page Setup to adjust your margins to 1 inch on all sides. Next, select your entire document and choose a professional font such as Times New Roman, setting the size to 12 points. Finally, ensure your entire paper is double-spaced for clear presentation. Now let's set up your headers and title page. For the running head, go to Insert, then Headers and Footers, and type your shortened title in all caps. On your title page, center your full paper title, your name, and your institutional affiliation. Remember to insert page numbers in the top right corner, starting from page 1, for consistent formatting throughout your document. Moving on to citations, APA style requires author date format for all in-text references. For example, Smith, 2023. At the end of your paper, create a new page titled References and list all sources alphabetically. Each entry should have a hanging indent of 1/2 inch, which you can set in the paragraph options. This ensures your sources are clearly presented and easy to read. Before submitting, always proofread your entire document for any grammatical or spelling errors. Double-check that all your formatting, from margins to citations, adheres strictly to APA guidelines. A thorough review can catch small mistakes that might impact your grade. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Investing in quality makes a difference, just like a well-formatted paper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.